everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers. For those of you that are new to my channel, Monday I like to do Casing the Catalog Monday, but whenever I partake in a card swap, I tend to do those on a Monday. And so today I have a card swap to share with you. Now these cards are in no particular order, and all the cards you can find over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I will have in the description a link, and if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to the blog post, and that's where you'll be able to, if you want to request a specific card for measurements and instructions, each card will be numbered with the person's name. So our first card, card number 1, comes from Leslie Mosteller. Now please forgive me, I do try my best to pronounce everybody's names correctly. However, some names are a little challenging. So yeah, and stamping on the inside is optional, guys. So again, this first card is from Leslie and it's beautiful. I love the colors she's chose. Very pretty card. Thank you so much. Card number 2 comes from Teri Ames, and Teri did stamp on the inside, and there's a lot of sparkle. It's hard to see, but there's a lot of glitter on there. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Card number 3 comes from Karen Thomas. We say Karen. In America, it's Karen. Beautiful card. I love the colors. So pretty. Thank you so much. Card number 4 comes from Jo-Agnes Santangelo. Jo-Agnes. I love this little knot that she's done there, and I really need to learn how she did that. But I think it is so cute. And I love how she finished the boat off with the same color cardstock. Very nice card. Thank you so much, Jo-Agnes. Card number 5 comes from Suzy Meadows. It's so pretty. This paper here is like that whisper white shimmer type paper. So there's also a lot of sparkle in there. And then some foil. Oh, this card is so pretty. There's also some embossing in the background right over here. Beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Suzy. This next card comes from Teresa Spavin. Spavin, I'm uncertain. Beautiful card as well. A lot of sparkle in this card. So pretty. It's hard to see on camera. Thank you so much. Card number 7 comes from Deborah Vanderburg. Beautiful card as well. I love this color choice. Very pretty card. Thank you so much, Deborah. Card number 8 comes from Marcie Downing. I love this card, you guys. Super cute. Super cute. Thank you so much, Marcie. Card number 9 is from Marilyn. Love this card. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, you guys. Such a unique fold. I do love this a lot. Thank you so much, Marilyn. Your last name, I don't want to say it because I'm a little uncertain how to say it, but thank you so much, Marilyn. Your card is gorgeous. Our next card comes from Tonya Bowers. Super pretty card, and Tonya has also stamped on the inside. Card number 11 is from Heather Jobe. I love this card. Such a beautiful card. Love what she's done here. Card number 12 is from Cindy Mitchell-Clark. Love the color choice. Very pretty card. Thank you. Card number 13 is from Anita Roberts. So pretty. I love the little bling she's put all over. Beautiful card. Thank you so much, Anita. Love it. Love it. Love it. Our next card comes from Dianne Teslak. Super cute card. Love the colors as well. Thank you so much, Dianne. This next card comes from, this is card number 15, and this comes from Brooke Livaccari. Not sure if I'm saying your last name correct. Also, a lot of sparkle in this card. Very pretty. Thank you so much. We have card number 16, and this comes from Meagan Justus. Very pretty card. I love this little punch out on the side there. Super cute. And the flower that's colored in. Thank you, Meagan. Card 17 had no name, and it's such a pretty card, and I don't know who this is from. So if this is one of your cards, reach out to me. Let me know. That way I can update my blog. Card number 18 comes from Carole Hahn. Love the background, the crackly. Oh my goodness, you guys. This next card, card number 19, is from LeeAnn St. Pierre. Look how pretty this is. So the flower has, now hard to see on camera, but there's a lot of sparkle there. You see that? Very pretty. But look at this unique fold, you guys. So it's like that and like that. How cool is that? Oh my goodness, I love your card, LeeAnn. So nice. This next card came with an envelope, and that again is optional, you guys. And I love what she's done here, Connie. This card number 20 is from Connie, and it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, lot of layers. Such a beautiful card. And Connie went and finished it off on the inside. Connie, I'm a little hesitant on to say your last name. Pisecki? Please forgive me. Beautiful card. I love your card, Connie. Very pretty. We have card number 21 is from Tess Rydell. And again, a lot of sparkle in this card. So pretty. And again, another unique fold. So cute. You see that? Love this card. Thank you so much, Tess. Very pretty. This next card also came with an envelope, and this is Larissa Douglas, card number 22. So cute. Card number 23 comes from Rita Whitby. Beautiful card. I love this stamp set. This is on my wish list. And I love these colors. So pretty. Card number 24 comes from Marcie Snyder. Beautiful card. Lovely. Very pretty. And then the last card, you guys, is my card. So that's my card. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to head on over to my website. I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and we'll see you back here on Wednesday. Take care.